para mawalan ka ng preno, parang bastos yung dating.
Sir, may viewers na nagpapa-comment sa video ni Tito Mars na basta may acne ka daw or burog-burog, kahit tapalan mo pa daw ng mamahalin ng makeup, hindi ka pa rin kagandahan tingnan.
Nakita ko nga yan kay Tito Mars na yan. And I think he's known for yung real talk, tama? Yung real talk for me kasi, it's good to show your authenticity. Yung totoong-totoo, kaya nga real talk. So, ibig sabihin, walang filter, hindi ka masyadong mag-aalala or mag-iingat sa mga sasabihin mo. But we also need to be sensitive. Not because real talk, ay kailangan makasakit tayo ng feelings o kaya wala na tayong pakialam masyado dun sa mga words na ibibitaw natin. Lalo na nga, we are doing content creation. Maraming taong makakakita and we really don't know kung ano yung sitwasyon ng mga tao. Bakit nga ba nagme-makeup ang isang tao, di ba? Yung concept lang nun is all about wanting to boost your confidence. For me, that's one foundation bakit gusto natin magpaganda. But going back, yung kay Tito Mars, para mawalan ka ng preno at hindi mo makonsider yung receivers ng ating mga messages, that for me really is foul. Parang bastos yung dating in a way na very insensitive, and the manner of how he said them, yung kanyang message, and then the choices of words are very hurtful. And as a content creator, lalo na you wanted to be an influencer, and in a way, he is an influencer, we are not in any way in a position para ganunin yung ibang mga tao. Let's not be entitled, not because a lot of people are appreciating how natural we are, ilalahad mo na lahat. But again, not because pumreno ka, you're not being real. It's not that. It's also being real, being authentic means you are truthful and at the same time, tactful din naman. At para din naman dun sa mga kababaihan or mas kilalaki ka and you have acne, diba? Yung ating, of course, who would want to have na hindi makinis yung mukha natin? Kaya nga na-create yung mga makeups and other things, diba? Tayo, mag-focus lang tayo dun sa how else can we make ourselves feel better and how else can we be confident. Whatever makes you feel good, do that. As long as within your budget and as long as you're not hurting anyone in the process, feel free to do so. But please remember that when you also improve your physicality, your facial features, please consider improving and healing yourself as well internally. Like in my case, I had to go through healing process kasi dati lagi akong galit eh. And I've realized na maski na magsuot ka ng magandang damit o kaya maglagay ka pa ng foundation or makeup, if you feel bad inside, definitely your situation will not improve. In fact, meron nga tayong docu-series called Journey to Authenticity. Yun ang journey ko that I'd like to share to everybody. But then again, regardless kung ano ang itsura mo sa ngayon, as long as you feel good inside, if you have the budget to make you look prettier, we will support you. Do whatever pleases you. But make sure na regardless kung ikaw ay makeup user or content creator, wala ka sa posisyon para makasakit ng feelings ng mas maraming tao. Wala tayo dun sa sitwasyon nila as well. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung hurdle, yung challenges internally and externally ng mga taong kailangan mag-makeup kasi they need to conceal something. The least thing that we can do really is to be sensitive. Kaya nga, be real, transform, and make sure you are a responsible influencer or content creator. Yun lang.